Welcome to More Motorsports Garage. This is part 3 of priming the RSX. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn that bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So, if you are curious why we're painting it in sections and have different videos coming out, please refer to the other 2 videos. Information is in the description as to why we have to do it this way. But we're gonna go ahead, just get straight into the flat white primer. We'll lay that down and we'll go over more details. So I hope each and every one of you enjoy this video. All right, I've got the fan on. I do not have a respirator, but I am wearing a mask. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start laying this on. All right, that's the first light coat. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for a few minutes and then we'll go over it again. Okay, I'm still on the second can. I have just a little bit left. We're gonna let this dry, probably go over it one more time, and then we'll be good on this side. All right, it's looking pretty good. Now there is a little tiny spot right about there where the light's at, but that's about the only spot I see for my body work. So I'm definitely getting a lot better. It is not perfect. I'm not perfect, so it just reflects me, I guess. But I am definitely practicing and getting better at it, and eventually I'll be able to show you guys how to do the body work, but right now I'm still like beginner level, and I've been practicing for years, by the way. I just can't pick that up. I can pick up a bunch of other things. I just blame it on my autism. I can do certain things really well and other things I just kind of suck at. But I am definitely getting better, so I am really happy about that. So I can't wait to do video on that. There's also a spot right up here that had a bunch of dents and dings, and I'm not seeing it at all. It was literally like right here. Here's a little picture of what I'm talking about. It was definitely dinged up pretty good. But yeah, I got that out for sure. And then there's a little spot back here that I did notice. It's just a tiny little hail dent. I didn't see that, or I would have puttied that up as well, but it's okay. Like I said, little imperfections are okay with me. I'm not too picky on things. But yeah, it's definitely looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this plastic off and we'll see what it looks like. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Thanks so much for watching. It helps me tremendously. God bless each and every one of you. All right, here it is with all the plastic and the tape off, and it looks absolutely awesome. Just being in the primer white stage, it looks so much better, and not seeing all the flaws that it had before, which was quite a bit. There are still flaws again. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better, and I am well pleased with this. So, cannot wait to see this thing in its gloss white with the pearl gold over the top. It's gonna look absolutely beautiful. And for people who don't know, this is going Legend of Zelda theme. I'm going more of the royal side of things, white and gold type thing. It's gonna be real cool, so you definitely wanna stay tuned for that if you are a Legend of Zelda fan. But this is gonna be real awesome. So I'm going to collab with GT's Performance. For those who don't know, his information's in the description. Definitely go check out his stuff. Really good at painting. He's much better at a spray gun than I am, and he will be laying a sealer primer, the gloss white, and then the pearl gold with a clear over the top from Speedo Coat, most likely. But I'm gonna let him take charge of the whole thing. But I will obviously be there to help, wet sanding or whatever I can. I don't expect him to do it all, but it'll be a really cool collab. Definitely excited for that, but we have a lot of work to do. If you're wondering why I'm not just going there and doing all this stuff, is I don't want to be there for a month. As much as I would love to just drive around and have fun in El Paso, I do have a family, so I cannot be gone for an extended period of time. So there's a lot of reasons, but yeah, I want to get as much done here, so when we go there, if there is anything needs done, it should be pretty quick and easy to do. But this back hatch is going the white as well. The roof is going white. That entire side is not painted yet, as you can see. So I do have to do this side. I'll probably just do this side off camera, since you guys already seen it done on this side. It's pretty much the exact same thing, just on the other side. And it doesn't need a ton of body work on this side, thank God. But yeah, I'm gonna, in the next video, if God is willing, I'm gonna do the roof, the hatch, the wing, and the bumper. Maybe. It might be too many things. Remember, I have to keep this down to small projects. So maybe the wing and the bumper in the next video, then in the video after that, the hatch and the roof. I don't know. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comments below. But this thing is definitely starting to take shape and looking really good. For those who don't know, it is supercharged, made 301 horsepower on the dyno. I'm still on just normal 93 octane with some octane booster. I'm not on E85 or anything like that. It's stock internals, just a supercharger. I have more videos on Texas Honda channel. If you're interested, definitely check the link in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's the best I can do for right now. The city's really been complaining. Neighbors have been pretty cool, but there's one in particular that likes to give me problems. So we are doing the best we can with what situation God has given us, and we are going to be thankful through it all. Remember, no weapon formed against me shall prosper, and I do not want to be a weapon for any of you, and I want to prosper. So as long as you are not being a weapon towards someone, you shall prosper. But that's basically the only advice I have to give for right now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.